Hi guys, so I wanted to take you on a little fall day with me. I'm gonna go fall decor shopping. I don't know what I'm gonna buy because we're moving, so but I do definitely want to like scope out a couple things. There's something that I just can't pass up. I'll definitely buy it. I'm gonna go get like a little fall coffee and do all the fall things, well, as much as we can do. It is like probably 90 degrees, but yeah, let's go have a little fun shopping day. Okay, so first things first, I actually have to return something at Old Navy. It's this cute dress. This is the pattern of it. Super fall-esque. However, I wore it like once, not gonna lie. Hold on. And they forgot to take the security tag off. It was actually really embarrassing because I was at my friend's party. That was embarrassing because I was like walking around, feeling myself, feeling all cute, and then this stupid security tag was on it. So that was really annoying, but that's not why I'm returning it. I just, they had another color in it and I just want to like see it and see if it's like a little bit better. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if they have something else. Honestly, even if it's like store credit, I'm gonna end up using it again. So let's go return this. Just return the item, but look how cute this jacket is. I don't know if it's giving what I want it to give. Okay, you guys, so I made the return. I didn't find anything. I'm just gonna check online and just see what new items they come out with. Next on our agenda is to go get a little fall drink. Coffee Bean is actually one of the first places to release their pumpkin drinks, so I'm gonna go get one and I'm so excited. You guys, I just want to let you know it's like 96 degrees outside. It is not giving fall at all, but we're just gonna like pretend, manifest it. Yeah.
Welcome to the Coffee Bean. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I just do the pumpkin, is it the pumpkin ice blended drink that you guys?
Pumpkin ice blend.
No whipped cream, and then can I do it half cap?
Regular half cap. Okay, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Guys, I always get so scared to order because like I don't know, like Starbucks I know what I get, but here I don't come too often, so I'm like, what do I order? Oh, I forgot I have to pay. Always so awkward just sitting here, like what do I do? Normally I go on my phone, but I'm recording on my phone too, so kind of just like sitting here. Thank you so much. We have secured the bag. This is so bomb, you guys. Look at the color. The first time I got it, I was like, why is it so orange? I'm not used to it being that color, like at least from Starbucks and stuff. So when I first got it, I was like, this is probably gonna taste like so artificial and so like not good. And I was so wrong, it's so bomb. So I think next we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby, which I'm so excited about. I also heard that they have their Christmas items out, which I'm like, what am I getting into right now? I don't need any more Christmas items, but we're going to go check them out and I'm so excited. Okay guys, we made it to Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. Okay, you guys, I was just on my way to the restroom, but this picture really stopped me in my tracks. It's so cute. It's just giving like, I don't know what it's giving, but literally it is so cute. I don't know if I need it. This is what happens when I come here. I haven't been here in a long time either, so I feel like I'm gonna want everything and that's really bad. But I need to use the restroom. I'm literally just walking and I have to use the restroom so bad. So I try to have like tunnel vision so I don't like see anything and I just get to where I'm going. This is not fall related, but it could be used for fall decor. But look how cute this is. It's like a little like pedestal. Of course it's not on sale right now, but it is, oh, it's only $10.99. That is not bad at all. I feel like I could put like my coffee stuff on here, or even for like the restroom. She might have to go on the cart. Just gonna hold on to her for a second. Guys, I'm screaming. How cute this is. Are you joking? I actually love Snoopy and Charlie Brown. So cute. I can't. This is so cute too. It's so neutral. So I've ran into a problem. I found the Christmas decor and it's giving everything and more. I think these are new this year. There's a bell one, a little book one, then a big bell one. I think I'm getting all three of them, so nobody tell my man. I'm wondering if I need this for my little coffee station and screaming fall. So wait, you guys, why is this actually so cute? I can't. Oh my goodness. They also have these two. I cannot. Okay, not gonna lie, it is probably about a week later. We got so busy at the end of the day and then I just like didn't end up filming anything else. I wanted to show you guys a couple of the items that I did find. I went to TJ Maxx and then I also went to the Dollar Tree. Sometimes they have like good fall and like Halloween items. So I found these little pumpkins. I honestly thought they were kind of like a vibe. They're like the velvet like material in the bathroom or something. Then these ones, they do have like a little clip on them in the back, so I could like clip them somewhere. I thought maybe like by my coffee station, like on it, kind of spread them out a little bit. Just the goal is to get like the fall color into the mix. I actually ended up getting this one too. It's just like a little like fall floral. Again, we're just trying to get those colors into the house because that's what honestly I feel like makes it really feel like fall. And then this one I'm so obsessed with. I actually ended up getting the little like espresso cup. I actually saw too that they have like another like, I want to say it's like a tan color, which was also so cute. But again, this one gives like, it just screams like fall vibes. So this one I could not pass up. It's so cute. Okay, and you guys, this one, I have to hold it like this so that you don't see the glare, but look at how freaking cute this is. If it doesn't scream fall, I don't know what would. Fall, it has like little like sheep and then like these like trees. It's just so cute. I actually got it for only $14, and that was because like the edge right here, it was kind of coming like undone, which I could probably just like honestly glue it shut. I'm not really gonna put anything up just because we are moving, like I said, and so I don't want to like put anything up and then just to have to pack it. So I'm just gonna pack all of this, and then obviously at our new place we are going to decorate there. Stay tuned for that video when I actually decorate our new little space that we're gonna be living in. I did want to fill you guys into on like the moving situation. We have been living here at our little 2-bedroom apartment for the past pretty much 2 years. Obviously when we moved here, we were hoping that we were going to grow our family, and cut to 2 years later and all of my fertility issues, obviously that didn't happen the way I wanted it to, which is fine, but it did put like a little wrench in our plans of like what we're doing. And honestly, you know, me and my husband talked about it, and we just honestly want to own something, whether it's little like townhome. We would love to own an actual like home, but obviously things here in California are so expensive, so we're gonna do what we can to save our money. We're actually moving in with my husband's parents, and they actually have like a little separate bedroom, so I'll have to show you guys that once it's all done. But they were kind enough to add a restroom and a shower for us, so that's gonna be really great, that we're gonna have like our own, pretty much like a little like suite area at his parents' house. I've always gotten that like homey feel. I honestly feel like I actually might be better off at his parents' house mentally. Just like here, I just never got that like this is home feel. So I don't know if that is like normal. I don't know. This is just like, I feel like a place that we were living in. The back house I used to live in, that gave me all the home vibes. It was like the best place ever. So guys, let me not ramble on. We actually went last week and we painted the whole room. They're adding in flooring and redoing it, so I'm definitely gonna have to show you guys like the clips that I got. I'll probably make like a whole video on that to see what happens and hope for the best, honestly. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little fall day with me, and I will see you guys in the next one.